Hello, welcome. My name is Coco, and today's practice is a gentle grounding morning stretch, mostly on the floor to help you wake up your body without rushing. Move slowly and take breaks whenever you need. Start by lying on your back, draw both knees close to your chest, and give yourself a gentle hug. Rock side to side if that feels good. Then release one knee, hug the other knee in towards your chest. From here, let the left knee cross over the body for a supine spinal twist. Give the spine and outer hip a gentle rinse. Bring the knee back to center and then let it fall to the side for a soft inner thigh and hip stretch. Bring the knee back through the center and cross the ankle over the opposite thigh for a figure four stretch, opening the outer hip. Take a few breaths here and feel free to flex your foot. Then release the foot down gently. Bend the knees, feet back to the floor, and then we'll switch sides. Right knee hugs into the chest. Right knee crosses over to the left side, gazing behind your right shoulder for a supine twist. And take a few breaths here as you gently stretch your lower back. Bring the knee back to center, hugging the knee back to the chest, and then out over to the right. Take a few breaths here. Feel free to keep your eyes closed if you like. Then bring the knee back to the chest, cross the foot over the left thigh, and then bring the left leg up and back for a figure four stretch, flexing the foot as you breathe. Release both of the legs down to the mat, and then gently drop the knees side to side for windshield wipers. Slow and easy. Relax the breath. Ease your thoughts and move gently. Draw the knees wide and come into happy baby. Rock a little if you like from side to side as you breathe. Release and extend the legs up towards the ceiling, flexing the feet or rest them up against the wall for legs up if you like. And take a few slow breaths here. Gently release both of the feet down and slowly roll onto one side as you come up to a comfortable seated position. Inhale, slowly reach one arm up and over for a seated side stretch. Breathe deeply as you stretch. Then switch sides. Take a gentle seated twist by rising the arms up and gazing behind your shoulder. Take a few breaths. Inhale, rise the arms up and twist to the opposite side. Inhale, rise the arms up, come back to center, and make your way onto all fours for tabletop. We'll move through cat-cow 3 times, matching the breath with movement. Inhale as you rise the sternum up and gaze forward. Exhale as you press into the mat, rounding the back. And one more round. Sink the hips back into child pose as you spread the knees wide. Walk your hands towards the front of the mat and breathe as you release the head down. Gently lift your head as you walk your hands to one side for a side stretch and release the head back down. Take a few breaths here and slowly raise back up as you switch sides, walking your hands over to the opposite side of the mat and release. Come forward into puppy pose, gently bringing the chest down to the mat, reaching the hands forward, allowing the chest to melt down and hips lift. Tuck the toes and lift into downward dog as you pedal the feet. Breathe. Lift the right leg up and step forward into a low lunge as you bring the left knee down to the mat. Inhale as you rise your arms up. Gently bring your hands down to the mat as you shift into runner stretch, extending the right leg and bringing the hips back. Inhale, rise back up to a low lunge, and we'll take 3 rounds here. Back to runner stretch. Inhale, crawl the hands forward, lift the hands up for a low lunge. Then exhale down to runner stretch. Come back to tabletop. Step the left foot forward for a low lunge. Inhale as you rise the arms up, bending at that front knee. Exhale, extend back to runners. We'll take 3 rounds here as well, flowing with the breath. Pointing the toes up in runner stretch. Inhale as you rise up. Exhale, extend back. Then release. Come back to tabletop. Cross both of the feet together and we'll sit back in a comfortable seated position. Inhale, rise the arms up, clasp the fingers together, and we'll lean over to the left, then over to the right. Gently release and crawl the hands forward for a seated forward fold. Bringing the head down as you take a few breaths. And slowly rise back up. Close your eyes in this comfortable seated position. Take a few steady breaths. You can take your hand over your heart and one over your belly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to release any thoughts, just focusing on the breath. And let this be the tone for the rest of your day. When you're ready, gently flutter your eyes open. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. I have a free guide below if you'd like to check it out, and I will see you next time. Namaste.